Okay, what's up, y'all? It's your boy VJ, man. I just want to give y'all a quick update on the portfolio. I know it's been a while, but plain and simple, man. I just want to tell y'all, you know, be patient, y'all. It's an investing thing. I just want to teach y'all and show y'all I'm a regular person, 9 to 5. And I want to be consistent, and I want to try to show my consistency, whether on a weekly or monthly basis, right? We're gonna build one thing at a time, y'all. So I'm not gonna hold you up. I'm gonna go ahead and go through this real quick. When investing, okay, I have $30 right now in Palantir. If you know about Palantir, it's one of the companies in the AI space, but it has contracts for government regarding defensive contracts for the government. So I remember when Palantir was like 60, 70 bucks, like a year and a half ago, 2 years ago. I didn't get on it, but I'm going to start investing in it now. I have $30, which is 0.21 shares. Amazon, I have $23 in Amazon, which we know what Amazon is, of course. That gives me 0.10 shares. I have $21 in Kava. That gives me 0.24 shares. Kava is pretty much the equivalent of like Chipotle, like a Mediterranean Chipotle. Great company, great business model, great profits, right? About a year or so ago, I had like 6 shares of Kava in my Fidelity account, sold them, but I want to rebuild that position as well. I'm not going to hold y'all up long at all, but I'm going to, again, start another recurring investment VOO on the 18th, $15. I'm also going to do $20 in Palantir on the 18th, and possibly $20 in Amazon as well, 18th. I had an option play earlier with NVIDIA, which that's why it says right now, today I'm up $127. I'll make a video on options later on regarding the basics of technical analysis, the basics of options and charts. But I also want to do another video of the basics, the importance of investing. I want to touch on that. I feel that we all should invest. A lot of people that I know, they don't know about investing, they want to get into it, or they think it's gambling. Investing is not gambling. If you invest in solid companies, ETFs, then long-term growth, you're going to be fine, right? It's about building wealth and building ownership within those shares. You can pass those shares on, you can sell those shares later on and get profit, and your money is moving for you. You're not working for your money. We work so hard for our money. We grind, we work, we hours and hours and hours. But what are we doing with it? You saving it? That's fine, that's great. But let your money work for you, right? Let it work for you. So just, I want to stay consistent. I want you to see I'm staying consistent. So to wrap the video up, I'm not going to hold you long. Let me know what you're investing in, if you want to start investing. If you haven't started investing, what's keeping you from investing? Right now, remember, you can do fractional shares these days, $5. You can do $1. You can start with $1. Okay, every day if you want to, every week. Let's just start, y'all. Let's start. So, again, tell me what you're investing in. Tell me what you're gonna invest in and you want to invest in. Right? We gotta hold each other accountable, y'all. We have to hold each other accountable. Hold me accountable, please. But it's your boy VJ, man. Y'all enjoy your Friday. Y'all enjoy your weekend. Peace.